The two topics we covered in Block 2 were the systems development lifecycle, a crucial aspect in the improvement and development of computer system we use, and electronic commerce, also known as e-commerce, which is the trading of products and services over the internet. First up is the systems development lifecycle. The systems development lifecycle is a staged process for creating, developing, and improving an information system that consists of hardware only, software only, or both combined. The cycle begins with the initial investigation. This step is performed to figure out where the problem lies and what needs to be fixed or needs to be added. The next step is the requirements definition. This step defines what is going to be done in order to fix or improve the system based off of the initial investigation. Then comes the system design step. This step draws out the blueprint for the solution or improvement that is going to be used on the system, followed by the development, coding, and testing of this new improvement. If the improvement or addition does in fact do its job, it is then implemented into the system to make better the system. After the improvement or addition is implemented, the final step is the operating and support of the system, making sure it is running as it should be and maintaining it in order to make sure it's run to its very best. SDLC has many strengths and weaknesses. Its main strength being that it makes sure that systems are running at their full capacity and we are getting the most out of them as we can. Its main weakness is that the process can be very time-consuming, and it is not a viable way to solve an issue that is a pressing issue and needs fixing quickly. The next topic we covered was electronic commerce. Electronic commerce is also known as e-commerce, which is the selling and buying of products or services over the internet. Almost every company that has a sales aspect to it has an online segment to their sales. So a brief history about e-commerce. Amazon and eBay are two of the biggest companies involved in e-commerce, these two being solely involved with e-commerce. Over time, it has become easier and easier to make purchases overline. PayPal has made it easier by making payments over the internet to retailers safe, reliable, and easy. E-commerce is believed to have started in 1971 when Stanford and MIT students bought marijuana using ARPANET. It is estimated that the U.S. e-commerce will have a total of $294 billion in sales in 2014. Recently, a company known as the Alibaba Group, which is a company that is made up of e-commerce businesses, had the largest initial public offering of all time, having a worth of $25 billion and being offered at $68 a share. It is clear that ever since the first sale of marijuana in 1971 by those college students, that e-commerce has absolutely exploded over the past 40 years, and there is nothing to slow it down.